look out to the ocean and I see her in the light. Surrender my emotions to the tide. The cold night winds they blow and tell her I'm alright, but the city life I plan to leave behind. I got a feeling now that I can't seem to hide, 'cause I've got Moloka'i on my mind. I hear the sound of summer whisper in my ear, and the ocean brings the taste of supper time. When the day fades away and greets a new moon sky, shine the light, it's gun smoke on the rise. I know the man who holds the key to afterlife, and he said, son, you better live before you die. I do believe that there is more than meets the eye, 'cause I've got Moloka'i on my mind. Should I stay or should I go to find my heart, locked away in long forgotten time? The folks I know, they tell me I am numbered in the stars, and somewhere out there mine begun to shine. There is a place that I go to see the evening sky, where the poet and the dreamer meet each night. You must forgive me, 'cause I'm on my way tonight, 'cause I've got Moloka'i on my mind. I've got Moloka'i on my mind. You know I've got Moloka'i on my mind. It's on my mind, mind, yeah, you know mine. Stick around, Henry's coming up right after that. Thank you.